Hello, my name is Abdurrahman Biasmullah with student ID DC7284, and you are watching our forum online that we explain briefly about bus topology. In this forum, there are currently others members too, so they're gonna introduce themselves. Let's start with our leader, shall we?
Thank you, Rahman, for introducing us. Hi, my name is Muhammad Basir bin Bahrudin. My ID number is DC96599. I am leader for this assignment CMPD323.
Hi, first of all, I want to thank you, Rahman, for introducing me. My name is Ahmed Shafiq bin Azrin. My ID is DC97285.
Hello, my name is Yi On Yao Nigel, but you can call me Nigel. My student code is DC96635. I'm currently studying in Diploma Computer Science.
Hi, my name is Ashraf bin Rosham. Student ID DC97273, a diploma student in computer science.
Thank you guys. So now I'll begin our forum by explaining the definition of bus topology. Bus topology is a network setup where each computer and network device is connected to a single cable or backbone. If the backbone is broken, this entire segment will fail. It depending on the type of computer network card, a coaxial cable or an RJ45 network cable, which is used to connect them together. A bus topology is a topology for a local area network, which is LAN in short form, in which all the nodes are connected to a single cable. Bus topology is also easy to install and doesn't require much cabling compared to the alternatives. This is a GIF which shows how the bus topology works. It works same as in real life, where bus have to send their passenger from station to other station. Let's say that the frame are the passengers while the nodes are station. So that is the definition of bus topology. And now Nigel is going to cover about features and function and common device use.
Thank you, Rahman, for passing the audience to me. And now I'll be explaining the features and functions of the bus topology. The bus topology function is almost the same as any other network topologies. For example, mesh and ring topology. That is, to connect two or more computers together in order to enable them to communicate and exchange data with each another. In the bus topology, all nodes or devices are linked with one transmitter or a server computer via a single cable, mostly use coaxial cable, or called the backbone. All nodes are connected to the bus cable by drop lines. A drop line is a connection running between the nodes and the main cable. That is all you need to know about the features and functions of the bus topology. Now, I will go through the common devices used to complete and make a bus topology. So let's dive in. The common devices used to connect all the computers and devices in a bus topology are coaxial cables and the BNC connectors. The BNC connectors look like this, with one of them is a T-shaped BNC connectors. It is used to connect two cables in each of the side in the T above and one at the bottom to connect at the main cable. And the cable used, as I said before, is a coaxial cable. That is all for me. Thank you. Now I will pass back the spotlight to Rahman.
Thank you, Nigel, for the explanation. With everything that exists, it must have advantages and disadvantages. Our leader Basir is going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages.
I will talk about advantage and disadvantage for using bus topology. First, I will go through for the advantage of using bus topology. Bus topology cost of the cable is very less as compared to other topology, so it is widely used to build small network. Bus topology also famous for LAN network because they are inexpensive and easy to install. It is widely used when a network installation is small, simple, or temporary. It is one of the passive topologies, so computer on the bus only listen for data being sent. They are not responsible for moving the data from one computer to other's computer. Bus topology requires less cable than mesh and star topology. For bus topology, it is also easy to make and easy to use. Next, I will talk about disadvantage for using bus topology. In case if the common cable fail, then the entire system will crash down. When network traffic is heavy, it develops collision in the network. Whenever network traffic nodes are too many, the performance time of the network significantly decrease. Bus topology cable are always has limited length. When using bus topology, it is difficult to identify the problem if the entire network shut down. Bus topology are not meant to be used as standalone solution. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Base, for the information. You even point out the points that is in slides. Very good. But your voice is quite low. I guess I have to boost it up later in post-edit. Anyway, of course, we have example of bus topology. So Ame, you're up.
So, in my part, I'm going to talk about the example of bus topology that are used in current technology. There are many bus topology systems that are used for today. For example, campus network. In campus, it uses bus topology by joining switch and routers called backboning. Then we have wired telephone. It works by connecting two floors or more through a single line. This way may reduce the cost and easy to install it. Other than that, Internet networks. It are also using bus topology as one of their system. Last but not least, any type of input or output device such as printer or scanners can be added in your office or home by using bus topology network. Let's say you want to print something from your laptop or PC. It uses bus topology to connect to your printer. That's all. Thank you.
That is quite good example that you've given there. Next topic, history of bus topology. We can't forget our past because that is what is teaching us now in present to serve future good. I made it up by the way. So Ama, what is the history of bus topology?
So now I will explain about the history of the bus topology. The history of the bus system began in the early 60s with the development of the first computer. Bus systems were invented in order to connect the internal component of computer with each other from the information technology. With the introduction of the PCs in the 80s and its widespread, bus systems were no longer in the line with market requirement. From that moment, the task of having improved connection as well as finding other alternatives on network topology arose. Nowadays, there are many different bus systems on the market, but each bus system shows its main area of use. Why? Because bus system network is simple and reliable. If one node fails to operate, all the rest and can still communicate with each other. Moreover, bus networks are easy to expand. Additional nodes can be added anywhere along the bus, which is also approved by the cost efficiency. Thank you.
Ama is quite sick today but spiritive to join us today. You also explain the points that is in slides, just like Base. Get well soon, Ama. So with that, it concludes the end of our forum. I hope that the viewers find this resourceful and helpful. So I'm gonna put the credit scenes after this, where we have our pictures. Don't ask why the pictures are in black and white, and don't laugh. Bye.